Hi, everyone. I'm James Garbutt.
And I'm Denny Dumas.
And this is the Garbutt Dumas Real Estate Podcast. Garbutt Dumas listeners, we are hiring. That's a really bad intro, Carl. We should probably really start over that. Denny, how about you take a stab at this one?
I got it.
Can we cut that out? Or not.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Garbutt Dumas Real Estate Podcast. Jamie and Denny here. This is going to be a fun one. Thank you very much for listening. We're coming off a crazy year, a record year for our team. We learned a lot about ourselves. We learned a lot about our business, and we are looking to grow. There's a couple positions that we're looking to bring on. Who's the perfect candidate?
Good people.
100%.
No, I should be a little more specific than that. I should be a little more specific. Yeah, we recognize that we are probably going to, we're going to be overwhelmed this busy season. We anticipate a very busy year ahead and years ahead. Our business is going in the right direction. We need some realtors to help us get there. So, at the end of the day, we want passionate people about real estate, people that are in real estate for the right reasons, genuinely interested in it, genuinely passionate about the project, and want to help people. Now, there's so many different personalities that you can get, and I hope you can get a gist of what our culture and team is like through seeing us online and listening to these podcasts. But I think there's room for multiple personalities. I mean, quite frankly, we don't know what we get until we get them. But I'd like to say on the obvious front, ambition and passion. So if you're ambitious, you want to grow a real estate business, you want to learn in an accelerated environment and experience more situations than you would on your own. That's what we offer. We want people that want to work and want to grow and want to learn.
We want you to be motivated. We want you to be looking to grow personally and professionally. And we are happy to share experiences with you along the way to help you grow. And maybe most importantly, Jamie, you need to be awesome.
Awesomeness. So just to help paint the picture specifically, this could be for new realtors, experienced realtors, ambitious realtors, and supportive realtors, the ones that want to grow on their own and ones that want to help others. So what I mean by that is there's also a role for a licensed assistant sort of role in our team, and meaning that someone that is not necessarily one to put themselves out there as much, but more attention to detail, organization, and help support the business where it needs it most. And then maybe one day grow into that other role. Our team is going I'd like to think our team is growing in the right direction. We just need more good people to help it get there.
Totally.
So awesome people, passionate, and willingness to work, because we work a lot.
I think the team culture is super important to us. So we're looking for the right personalities to kind of fit in and grow within the team. But we are very open to meeting people and look forward to meeting you if you want to join the squad.
If you're interested, reach out. No obligation, no hesitation. Or what? No, damn it. I ended off on that. Damn it. Reach out.